We have designed the audio system in the EX90 to deliver what we really think is important, and that is great sound for you to hear the recordings you know and love without any hindrance, maximum transparency, and really putting you in the concert seat. I think the benefits with a great audio system is that the car might be one of your last places to really experience audio. You might have a busy home life where you rarely have the time or the energy to really sit down and listen to audio, but having a great sounding audio system in your vehicle really lets you have that time every time you commute. It's like your me time, so to say. The headrest can really help you anchor the sound so you get your perfect sound in every seat.
It's the most extended range of audio that we've done before, right?
Yes, we have 25 speakers in the vehicle.
It is really a labor of passion.
Yeah. By that interest, we keep up with what's going on, and we know what steps to take next. And we have access to some of the greatest minds in the industry, and we make use of it in a very well way, I would say.
We work very closely with our suppliers, Bowers & Wilkins and Dolby.
The point about Bowers & Wilkins is more than just delivering product, it's about delivering experiences. And hopefully what we do as a result of that is we get you closer every single time you listen to what the artist actually meant to say, what they were trying to say, the true sound of the artist's experience.
I think Volvo really appreciate and value audio. I think it's a really kind of key feature in the development of their cars, and I think that really helps us and makes our life easier as we seek to develop the very best audio systems in the car.
When you listen to music, you're used to a stereo experience. That definitely means you have an experience where you have two speakers in front of you and the music is displayed as a front stage or coming from the front. Now, when you think about hearing and how you're listening to your environment, what you really do, you'll listen to audio all around you. You know, that's a natural experience, and that is exactly what Atmos does. When I think about bringing Dolby Atmos into the Volvo Cars and the EX90, what I'm most excited about is that combination of that wonderful craftsmanship of Scandinavian design and bringing the Dolby Atmos experience into that kind of car.
Ultimately, the audio system in the EX90 is about delivering the sound you love without compromises.